Hi, this is Chris from Collabit, and we're going to be talking about the remedial workflow and how the system captures remedial works from other jobs, and then how the system then puts it back through the sales CRM part of the system, and then how you can track those remedial jobs in order to invoice for them, so you don't miss out on any remedial works, and even worse, you don't do any remedial jobs and then forget or miss the invoicing step. So on the system, you'd use the resource planner, whether it's the map planner or the calendar planner, to plan the work, and someone would go and do an original job. On the job, or as standard on most of our library of forms, there is a button which allows you to pick up remedial works by saying whether there's a follow-up needed or not. Also, we could do a process where certain answers given by an engineer without them even flagging it up, certain answers will then have a workflow which allows you to either gather a non-conformance or a remedial piece of work. But if they've done the follow-up needed route, then they'd go into a list where they can set whether the priority is high or medium, and they can tick a little tick button that says whether a quote is required. So if they've seen some work on there, it will get an action in the system. So this action's got its own unique number. You can generate a quote from it, which then generates a quote within the sales CRM part of Collabit. Or you can just generate a new job. So you might have an understanding with a customer where you don't need to re-quote. If you find something, you can just do the job and then invoice for it. So once these are gathered on site, an account manager or someone in the office doing an administration role can look through these and make sure that none of these remedial jobs are missed. And then obviously it goes through the planner, get planned and get done, so a report is made and an invoice will be sent out to the customer. So a nice easy way of ensuring that you maximize any work that you're doing.